Today we're gonna make pate choux. It's a very popular French dessert, and for us, we probably know it as cream puffs. In America, we know it as cream puffs or eclairs, but those are two popular names that should ring a bell with you. It has a lot of eggs to hold up the structure because there's no leavening agent in this mixture. A lot of butter, a lot of butterish. Yeah, and I'm using bread flour because that's a strong protein flour. Okay, so I'll meet you on the stove. Here we have the butter, salt, and water in a pot, and we're waiting for this to melt. Now my stove here is a little bit SLOW, so it will be a while probably before this butter melts. Mixture is getting violent, trying to act like a volcano here. So now it's off the burner. We're gonna dump all the flour at once. Okay. Then we're gonna stir until you see no visible signs of flour. And then we stir and stir and stir and stir until it forms a big lump and pulls away from the side. So I'm gonna keep stirring. Then it's time. So now we have transferred the dough batter to the mixer, and what we're gonna do is kind of mix it to dissipate some of the heat. You see that steam coming off? Because we want to cool it down before we start adding the egg. So I think I am good to go to start adding the egg. So we're gonna do this one at a time, and we may or may not use all of it. So I turned my mixer up a little bit to get the eggs to mixed in quicker and more thoroughly. And I didn't have to scrape down my bowl because I have this flat beater here that scrapes the bowl. Let's check this and see how this is. Okay, it's dropping off slowly. I think it's